Ever wondered how crucial the right real estate agent can be in your property journey? Their expertise and reliability can indeed make all the difference. At Honor with Honor, we offer more than just transactions. We build relationships. Our real estate prowess blends local insight with a tailored, personal touch. Our expertise, local knowledge, and personalized approach deliver exceptional results. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those we've helped. They've realized their real estate dreams with Honor with Honor. These satisfied clients are a testament to our commitment and expertise. We're more than just a real estate agency, we're part of the community. Our commitment to giving back is unwavering. Our deep connections and local network set us apart. Ready to experience the Honor with Honor difference? We invite you to reach out for a complimentary consultation. We're eager to get acquainted and start crafting a strategy that's tailored to your unique goals. For a deeper dive into our expertise and services, we encourage you to explore our website. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you achieve your real estate goals.